everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to solve the Redi cube. So Redi cube is actually a corner turning puzzle, alright. It has 8 corners that turns, alright. So basically this puzzle only has 2 kind of pieces. One is the corner, which has 3 stickers, and the other one is the edges, alright. So the edges is shared by 2 adjacent corners, okay. So you can actually swap edges by doing up up down down, and that will actually swap the edges. So you want to bring an edge here, you will need to do a left up, right up, left down, right down, and then actually switch the edges. So corner turning puzzles are actually one of the easiest to solve. Other kind of corner turning puzzles is like this Lan Lan, the love cube, okay. These are also corner turning puzzles, and of course this is called the X cube, but it's also called the Dino cube. These are corner turning puzzles, except this one only have edges and no corners, alright. This is totally just an edges corner turning puzzle. So let's mix up this Redi cube and see, and then I'll teach you how to solve it. As with any puzzles, the most important thing that you want to know first is always try to see where is the turning axis, how many turning axes are there, okay. Whether it's a face turning puzzle, or whether it's a corner turning puzzle, or an edge turning puzzle. So for this puzzle, that we know that the corners is the turning axis, okay. So let's look at one face, for example, okay. If you look at one corner, there's a yellow, red, green corner here, and the adjacent one has a yellow, green, orange. So there's 2 common color, yellow, green. So what you want to do is to make sure that let's say you turn to, if you turn both to yellow and this are not the same, this side isn't yellow, so you need to turn to another, you must be green. So you realize that green and yellow is common, okay. So it actually fixed these 2 adjacent, and this whole side must be green, and for my case it happens to be already turned to green here. And let's look at the other. You have 8 such corners, and this one is actually supposed to be red, and this one's supposed to be blue, okay. And the blue seems to be the easiest since that it has 2 pieces solved. Let's look at the blue case, okay. We have a blue yellow that needs to go into this position. You always look at this piece needs to go where. So here must be a blue yellow edge, which is currently located on my left side. So you do a left up, right up, left down, right down, and you solve that piece, okay. So here you need a blue red edge because the corners are already correct. So you have the blue red edge here, okay. You can actually do a setup move by 1 turn, so that you want to position 3 pieces here, and always you want to position the piece that you want to move on the left or the right. So it's here, so you do a right up, left up, right down, left down, okay. And that's all that piece, and you restore back this corner so that the destroyed corners is back to where you want it to be, okay. Take note, a corner has 3 edges belong, and for the face that is soft, actually 2 of the edges is soft, so there's only 1 edge here that is not soft. To solve that last edge, you will need to use the corner that's adjacent to it, okay. So you want to find the red yellow corner here, and it is actually here. So always ask yourself, this is the free turning corner, okay, that you want to position the red yellow piece. and the red yellow piece is here. You always turn it. It's always only one turn away. You don't really need to turn 2 turns. Okay, and you have to bring it up, and you bring it back to its position, and that actually solves the middle layer edges. So let's look at the next one. This one needs to be yellow orange, and the yellow orange right now is actually here. Okay, if let's say the corners is positioned correctly, yellow orange is actually on this side, on the orbit that we wanted to bring it there. So what we want to do is always to bring it to another. These 2 corners are free turning. You will not destroy what you created below there. So if I bring this yellow orange away from this orbit that I want to turn, we can turn it now. Okay, now we can swing it back, and you can see that the edge match the corner. Then you restore it back, and you actually solve the middle layer edge for this, and check the corners at the top are restored. Okay, so we solve 2 middle layer edges. This must be a red white edge, and the red white edge is here. So think about how you want to operate is that this is the free turning one, and this is the one that you want to use to put in the correct place. So red white needs to be here. So remember, they are like opposite colors here. Then when you do one turn and then you restore back, you actually get back this corner. So let's restore the white, and right now we have solved 3 middle layer edges. This one's supposed to be white orange, and the white orange is actually here. Okay, it is in this orbit, and this orbit are different orbits, so it's fine to turn here, bring this in. Okay, when you have 2 soft edges, when you actually restore back the corner, you may destroy the top one, but it doesn't matter for this case. So although it's destroyed, since our objective is to solve the middle layer edges, so it doesn't matter that you sometimes destroy some edges, because it's quite easy to solve the last one. So we come to the last part. Okay, so we are left with the green side with 3 edges to solve. You can see that the red green needs to come in first, so you must turn the red green first, and now this is yellow green, and yellow green is here. It needs to turn to match the corner, and now this is white green, and the white green is here. You need to turn in to match, and the puzzle, when you restore back the last corner, you'll be solved.